Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a fantastic video here at E-commerce Ventures. We're going to show you the roadmap. We're going to show you the steps that you have to follow to create the business to last, a successful business, a successful that is going to be based in fundamentals. Here we're not going to be showing you a quick scheme to become rich in 6 months time. No, we're not going to show Lamborghinis or villas. No, this is a business that you're going to create with strong fundamentals to last. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so first product roadmap, general overview of the journey. So if you go here, if you're watching this video, amazing, because you are in the right way, you are in the right path. You want to start your business, you want to start your Amazon business, and you want to start it in the right way. So this is what I'm going to show you, the right way to do it. I'm going to show you, it's a step by step from step 1 to step 4. Each area, what we have, okay? So it's very important to follow these steps correctly. It's very important to follow the steps in order, so you have to finish step 1 before you go to step 2 or step 3. You cannot go to step 4 if you don't finish step 2. So on step 1 we have product research and business setup. All these two they get done together at the same time. Same with step 2, these two they get done at the same time. Step 3 same time, etc. So product research, so here first we're gonna research for the product that we want to sell, and what we focus here on E-commerce Ventures is to low profile products, so products that they're gonna give you a steady income, products that they're not gonna land in a category where there's a lot of competition, and products that they're not gonna attract hijackers. So low profile products, we avoid them unicorns. Unicorns are high demand, high competition products that full of factories, full of high competition, really difficult to rank. So remember, we're trying to launch 5 to 10 slowly launching products, low profile products. Yeah. Also on step 1 we have business setup, how you're gonna set up your Amazon business. And the way we show and we recommend and we teach is to set up a limit company on your name, and that limit company is going to be the owner of your Amazon account, and your Amazon account is going to be on the limit company. It's much more efficient for tax purposes, and Amazon is going on the way that companies, they're going to be selling more and more their products, so they give more let's say advantages to companies when they set up their business on Amazon. So remember, step 1 product research and business setup. Once we have this, we move on to step 2, which is supplier negotiations and opening an Amazon account. So we know the product, we're gonna go and look for the supplier and we're gonna start negotiating with them. I'm going to show you how to find the supplier of the product that you want to sell, and I'm going to show you how to negotiate with them. We have a script that we're going to send. It's very important, the approach to them, so they taking us seriously, and we create a long-term relationship with our suppliers. Okay, at the same time we're negotiating price for our products, asking for samples, etc., etc. We opening the Amazon account. Okay, we opening the Amazon account on the name of our business that we done on step 2. So we finish step 1 and then we finish step 2. We move into step 3. We have our product. We have also asked for a sample, so we have it with us. We're getting our listing created and we're getting our images created. So I cannot express how important it is to have good images. So I'm going to show you what are the images that you need to get. Professional images. Images is what represents your product. So if you have poor images, customers going to think that you have a poor product. So really important to get good pictures. So don't try to save money on product images, because it doesn't work. Listing creation, I'm going to show you how to create a listing that converts, a listing that ranks, because we need to know how the Amazon algorithm works. We need to get good search terms based on your product, good keywords based on your product, and based on the demand, and based on what customers search. Okay, once we have finished this, we move on to step 4. That what we're doing, we're launching the product. So really exciting, we're getting to launch our first product. So we have launching strategies that we're going to be showing you, and we have PPC campaigns that we need to set up in order to get our product to the first page. Okay, that's where all the sales are made, on the first page. So please take this roadmap seriously from step 1 to step 4, and the success is there to grab it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, show us some love, give us a comment. Please let us know what sorts of videos you want to watch, what sort of problems you encounter on the Amazon world. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.